Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to safely transfer your BNB from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet. It's a straightforward process, but as always with crypto, caution is key to avoid any mishaps. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this with confidence. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified account on Bitmart, your Arculus wallet set up and funded, and the exact wallet address copied. Double check that, because one wrong character could send your BNB into the void. Oh, and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your BNB balance. Click on Withdraw next to BNB. This will open a form where you'll enter the details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select BNB as the asset. Now, paste your Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Make sure it's the correct one. Arculus uses a specific format, so verify it in your wallet app. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total to avoid surprises. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to enter a verification code from your email or 2FA app. Once that's done, your transfer will be initiated on the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, just to ensure everything works smoothly. And never share your private keys or wallet details with anyone. There you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.